Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I am here at this place. That's right, state capital of the great city of Wisconsin, the great state of Wisconsin, in the city of Madison. But come join us as we're going to go inside and take a look around and see what kind of mess we can get into. I like Capitol buildings. They're always interesting and they always look so expensive. So come on, join us. You've just entered the Coolest Life, Capitol Building Edition. Wow, I'm in. First thing I noticed, it was no security at the front door. That is awesome. Well, maybe I'll get to one up here, but gosh, I'm practically in the middle of the building now. So this is way cool. Check out everything I'm looking at. Let's go on in. Well, we are in the middle now, and we got a bunch of school kids down the center, which makes it so loud. They're echoing up. Yeah, they're all down there. So we are in the Rotunda, as you can see. But this is a really nice room with all the extra accents they have everywhere to include the flooring. No emblems or logos or anything, but it's just a cool looking room. And on the ends they've got stairwells like that one there. In fact, I'm staring one that way. It looks just like that one. It's a cool building. It goes off on different directions. I don't know if it's 4 or 3 different directions it goes off into. So I'm going to see if I can find the chambers room. Really cool building. Done such a good job with it. So they got liberty there. You know, it says justice, government. And legislation. These look like they're tile. Really cool.
It's ironic because I really feel like throughout so much of my life, I have a second set of parents in my gym. So I have other siblings. I got to eat at their dinner table. I got to hear them play and argue with each other as I sat there as an innocent bystander. I actually got to hear each and every one of them say how they would never go into politics.
Well, that was cool to watch the actual workings of the assembly. They were actually voting on a bill to make a requirement of a financial class for high school students to make it statewide. So I think it's a pretty good idea. All the students need a financial class, I assure you. This is the hearing room.
And then just one more, actually. Would you like to see Baby Yoda? Okay. Baby Yoda is bottom center, right up here.
And this is the chambers of the Supreme Court here for the state of Wisconsin. Nice painting up top. Wall painting. Look at the room. I mean, it's just really cool. Obviously not working on anything right now. But the paintings are really nice. You can see all that workmanship there. Cool. Let's turn so you can see these big leather doors. You got some busts of some people, and it comes right into the main center rotunda down here. And here is the Senate chambers. We're going to go this way Take a look at this room. Such a beautiful room. This big round room. I guess they get a center for each county, or district, I should say. Cool room. I hope you enjoyed this visit to the State Capitol building here in Madison, Wisconsin. It is such a beautiful building. It's worth just taking a walk around. I think it only took me about an hour. Of course, I spent a lot of that listening to the House representatives do their thing. But such a cool building. I love big old buildings like this, and they got so much character to them. So if you get a chance, go see your local Capitol building. And if you're in town, come see this one, by all means. I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, because you're now leaving the coolest life. Capitol Building Edition.